Okay, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a live sports match that you have watched. So you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Due to pandemic, there is a complete ban on public gathering, so there is not any sports activity happening right now. But the last match I have seen in the past was a final match of Pakistan Super League that was held in my city. The match was between Peshawar Zalmi and Quetta Gladiators. The match happened in Qaddafi Stadium. I had to went there before the time.
I had to go there.
I had to go there before the time. The parking was far away from the main stadium because of the security threat in our country. There was a 4-level security clearance which I had to cross before reaching the main ground. The special thing that happened at that time was a special performance by SSG group of Pakistan. That was a skydiving, and the thing that amazed me that they were landing at the exact point that was marked before the landing. It was really an amazing feeling for me, and the match was really amazing, happy. The people were just overcharged, and the main thing was that the team I was supporting was winning the match. That gave me an amazing adrenaline rush. So I was really happy and amazed to see all the match.
All right, fantastic. Overall, you spoke well. 1 minute and 21 seconds, which is perfectly fine. Just try to use some more connecting words. I just focus mainly on and mainly. You can use and, it's very good, but try to use some other words as well which connect your ideas. These words will further increase your band. Overall, you spoke well, you spoke fluently, comfortably, you elaborated your points well. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Do you prefer to watch live sports or watch sports on TV?
I prefer watching a match on TV because you are sitting in your comfort zone. You can prevent the harsh weather if you are sitting in the stadium and there is a great sun and the temperature is high. So you can prevent that by sitting under the air condition in your room. So I prefer watching a match on TV.
Okay, why do some people like to watch live sports?
I think the more better thing which is provided or something people can feel while watching a live match is they enjoy the company of the friends. It provides them a better chance to get rid of their normal daily routine. So they enjoy the environment happening there.
Okay, good. More and better never come together. More better, right? Simply say better. What kind of sports do people in your country like to watch?
People of my country like football and hockey, but most of the people are crazy about cricket. They like cricket and they really get involved in the cricket match, especially if the match is happening between Pakistan and India. People get crazy over that. So people of my country really like having or seeing the match.
Okay, overall it's good. So just try to focus your sentence structures like by adding some connecting words. And for part 3, try to use signpost language for the answers where you have to make 2 to 3 points. That will improve your band further. At present, the way you performed, I will give you 7, but you have the ability to cross this band as well, right? Thank you.